Remove the additional paper cassette units from their packaging. Remove all of the packing materials and pull out the cassettes. If you're adding 2 additional cassette units, remove this piece from the back of one of them. Then place this cassette unit on top of the other one. Reinsert the paper cassettes and place the correct stickers on the cassette units to indicate the cassette numbers. Open the top of the printer box and set aside the output tray, ink packs, documentation, and power cable. Remove the foam packaging. Lift the printer out of the box and remove the plastic. Lift the printer and gently lower it onto the additional cassette units. Remove the tape from the outside of the product. Open the ink pack tray cover and remove any packing material. Make sure to open the printer and remove the packing material around the print head. Make sure to remove the sheet of paper from the ADF.